Here we are. CPI candle was very bullish. Nas is approaching all-time highs. So I think I'm gonna stay bullish. And we were bullish for this high, right? Now it's just a matter of do we reverse, and I don't see any signs of a reversal. There's no way I'm going short unless I really see something on the higher time frame. I'm expecting these highs to get ran through, potentially the monthly high. So let's see. So monthly high is what I'm looking at. Another one's the candle. All-time high, no shorts. What's up, JP? Yeah, no, I'm definitely not looking for shorts. The only, I mean, I haven't looked at the 15-minute time frame, but I'm happy looking for shorts if it's to as just as a retracement. The CPI candle. What's up, JP? Could be a potential midweek reversal. Um, but I'm still bullish. No reason to be bearish yet. The latency should be good now, JP. Apex crazy discount. Yeah, it's 90%, right? That's good, man. I hope you pass them. I hope that goes well. Now you have even more reason just to focus on like low hanging fruit. Dude, I don't like how this thing like makes my chart look fucking. Your hair in the back? What hair in the back, bro? I'm tripping. The thing is, I'm also like, how do you take longs? Your side profile makes your head look elongated sideways. You know what, bro? Sit on my lap. This is my new FEG design, bro. You like it? It's so colorful. It's so pretty. Um, like I feel like if we're gonna go up, right, we're definitely gonna retrace. We have an SMT right here. What the gay? That's actually fine. Look how nice consolidated price was. Yes, yeah. The only question is, if I'm right about my bias, where are we going up from? You know, is a 1 minute short term low enough? Maybe. Mm-hmm. 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 I say let's at least wait. See if we can take out this low and then potentially aim for this high. If not, then potentially vice versa. Take out the high, aim for the low. I'm happy with both. Quick scalp. So the red line is my drawn liquidity, previous month high. Check out the Forex signs. Mm-hmm. 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 Time do you work, Mayor? Oh, this tea is so good. This tea is so good. My favorite tea. LK tea. LK tea is the best. Off Wednesdays and Thursdays now? Gotcha, gotcha. Yo, come to the gym with me, bro. Today. Lacking, man. I've been lacking. I gotta find the motivation again. I'm going in a T2 for Samir. That was a T2. I'm going in at 2. Alright, buddy. Let's uh let's try to take the signals correctly this time. Alright. My signals, I mean copy demo trade. Yo, I won a TF2. Oh no, I didn't win. I should have won. Bro, this T. Like it's like I'm regenerating. Like my brain cells are just strengthening and regenerating. Let's see if this low can get taken out. It'd be one of my first trades that are continuation. Usually I'm always trading a reversal. I will say one thing, doing this like whole May journey thing, it's gonna make June really good. Money changes people. In this game, it's all-time high. That changes people. What are you talking about, bro? What are you saying right now? Any more news today? Yeah, white folder. Not all-time highs yet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go there. Are we at 18.5? We're only 200 points away from all-time high? That's possible. It's not a good day, Maher. We don't want all-time highs. You know, it's really hard to trade all-time highs. But it'll basically reverse on your ass. You won't know when. There's no real easy way to tell when. But our stocks will be up. Look at Bitcoin. Oh, would you look at that? Like, you think it doesn't work, but can you make this up? We came back. How far did we come back? Into this fair value gap. All right. Which fair value gap? There's one here. There's one here. The first discount one. The first one that's in discount. Mark that. Where did we go? We take out the high. What did we do when we took out the high? Made another fair value gap. What are we gonna do now? Take out the high. Can't make it up. Oh, oh no. Ethereum's always on daily chart. Come here. Did you know you can have SMT with Bitcoin and Ethereum? No longer in the negatives. AMD is back up. AMD was 230. Imagine we get back up there. Yep. Copy paste and watch that. I don't see. Did you post a link? Cause I didn't see it. Send me on Discord. Discord. X4. What's up, man? I'm looking for two things. One, I'm happy with the scalp either way. Either we take out this low and I can target the highs. I'm bullish. Right. I feel like previous month's high is going to be taken at this point overall. But if we come up and we take out this high first, I'll look for a deeper retracement lower. If we take out the low, which is what I personally prefer, if we come take out this low, I'll take the long from there. News so predictable. This was Luna clip. Alright, Hammy sent me a. Take out the high. Oh, you clip. Can't make it up. Yeah. Take out the high. It's. Can't make it up. Yeah. Take out the high. Can't make it up. Yeah. Take out the high. Can't make it up. Yeah. Take out the high. Yeah. Can't make it up. Yeah. Why's the clip in 180p though? I don't have high. I don't have high clipping. High quality clipping. Yo, I wonder if this SMT is what shoots us higher. Sure. Called confidence, bro. You should learn some. All right. All right. All right. Let's see what happens. We do have this little SMT. You know, ICT said something in his streams recently that it stuck with me. He said, if you're bullish, you need to understand. You need to determine how much of a move lower is enough manipulation for you. Because I remember it was like 932, and he was like, see what that just did? See how we just came out and like, for example, took this low? He was like, that's enough for me. And I'm like, what? That's enough for you? Bro, that's it? 1 minute low? Sweet? That's it. That's enough. Shit, looks like enough to me too. Yeah. I like this trade, but it's an aggressive entry. But with the SMT, I think it's already time. Still early though. Quick question. If I'm like 0.5% drawdown on the top step and I run it up to 1%, I trend down to 1500, 50K count example. So the 50K is you have 2000 to work with, right? So if you're at 0.5% drawdown, do you mean $25 or whatever, $10? I'm assuming not, right? So I need you, what do you mean 0.5%? So 250? The drawdown goes by end of day. So unless you hit your maximum loss limit, like unless you hit the limit itself, it's not gonna trail you. So how do I make say if you're at 50K account, you take a trade, let's say you take two trades. So if you lose 250, you now have 1750 to work with. All right. If you lose another trade, you have 1500 to work with. Oh, if you run it up to one, oh, okay, I see what you're saying. So yeah, yeah, you're exactly what you said X for. It'll stay at 1500. The only time it'll change is once you get a funded account. Once you get a funded account and you get over 2000, then it'll be fixed at zero. Otherwise, it'll stay. It'll stay. It's always gonna be $2,000 less than your highest balance. End of day. $2,000 less of higher. So X4, once you get to, let's say X4, once you get to, let's say you made $1,000, your drawdown is gonna be 4,900. Mm. Honestly, this would have been actually like a pretty good entry, but let's see. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see it. Yes, wants that high. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm sure it'll go up there. So we're gonna look for what we wanted, which wasn't as nice, but let's see if we can take out this high and then move lower before we move higher. Hey, where's my marker for previous month high? I want to see it move into previous month's high. Maybe not today. I think it's a fair objective though. I want to see a little bit deeper retracement. We get SMT at the highs. I'm happy shorting. Yes, fail to take that high. I'm happy shorting if we fail to like just taking profits here. Quick little scalp short, and then look for the real move higher. Or I'm happy just waiting, seeing if we get the move higher. But I personally, I love the freaking blue stop loss, man. It makes me feel sick. Let's see if I'm not gonna put it in this order, but let's see if it would have worked. A little 1 minute change of state and delivery. Well, if it gives a fair value gap, I'm game. I'm game. I'm game. Well, where's the SMT? It's here, right? No. Do I like this? Do I like this? It's such a small trade. Should have entered on the 32nd. And if I'm gonna do something. Yes. Why does it look like NQ has an extra candle ahead? Yeah, fuck this shit. It's not retracing me, bro. I'm not gonna take that trade. It's literally almost that TP. And at this point, if it comes up, I don't even like it as much. So, like it. Oh yeah, we don't need to do that anymore. We can just click trade. I think I'll do it with two micros. I'll do it with two micros. Let's just see. Let's just see. I might not even get a fill. And it's a very low risk trade. We just tapped into the oh no we didn't. Just a quick scalp, we're going for a counter trend trade. Counter trend. Uh actually no. I gotta decide because like that low just got swept and if this inverses, I actually kinda like the long way better. That might be enough manipulation for me. That might be enough manipulation to me. Honestly, if we inverse this, I think I like this. I think that's enough. Like, I don't think we have to come down for this low. I don't think we do. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I got you, X4. I just don't like how that candle closed. Looks like the inversion's happening. It didn't form a fair value gap, but it looks like the inversion's happening. I almost want to market by one, just target the high. Gonna let it play out now though. Now that it's a little more, it's not as simple as it was for me. I mean, the short might still work, but it's fine. Focus on the 950 to 1010 macro. These candles are candling. That's what it's supposed to do. Would I enter off the inversion? Yes, is already almost at the high. There's a 30-second fair value gap. I'm taking it. Let's see. Let's see if the entry would have worked here. Um, Tapped into the order block. Let's see if it inverses. ES has a fair value gap. I just look to enter like here. That is very shitty R. Well, that would just be TP1, and then we see how long this thing goes. So where's the SMT? Like it's this is 930. SMT. Um, yeah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna look to take partials. Have to position off at the high. Let's see what happens. I'm entering off this wick, pretty much. Or the inversion, whatever you want to call it, all the same to me. The balanced price range. ES did form a fair value gap, so far not a good reaction. Well, ES did take the high. If we get stopped out, I'll wait for another low to be swept and then we'll look for the exact same long. Did ES take the ultimate high? Yeah, it did. All right, let's see if NQ can follow. The markets can sync up, hopefully. It looks like we're gonna get stopped here. Oh, my forex position. Okay, looks like we're gonna get stopped here. See if out out there. Let's look if we can find another entry here. Yeah, ES did take the high, so let's wait till 950. See this low. Oh, we used 3 micros on that, so it wasn't too bad, too much. 3 micros on like 18 points. Gonna reverse now. Let's see. This is like pretty shitty price action actually. Not shitty, but like we're just ranging, taking both sides. SMT highs and lows. I want to see this low get taken now before we go higher. I mean, see if we retrace into this little order block, or just go lower. 950 in 2 minutes. Looks like we'll make a run for that low. So it looks like this worked out. Also around equilibrium, so be really good if we can take that low and then look for longs. All right, US CAD. Yeah. Ignore me. Ignore me. Hopefully we can take out that low. All right, now just approaching the low. Sorry, just gonna put in this order. USD GPY, you mean entry too? I like the USD GPY one more. Yeah. All right, now let's take the low. I gotta lock the fuck in. All right. See if we can invert a fair value gap here or form an SMT or something. And all right, see if ES can take the low as well. Okay, we're in longs on GPP, USD, whatever. 156. 7, 8. Okay. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, let's get them closed. Out of curiosity, what's happening here? Dropped pretty hard market. Okay. So I just need signs of the reversal happening now. It's 952. Tapped in at equilibrium. We need to look for our long. Potentially something like this. Something like this, maybe. You can get maybe a one more sweep, form SMT, and then break structure. That's a good too. Maybe we even take out CPI low. Go from there. 15-minute IRL to ERL. We expect it to respect 50%. That's 50%. Just need an entry long, and it'll check off all boxes. Enter like something like this too. Oh, see if ES can take that low and give me a little SMT, just a little confirmation. That'd be nice. Could look at YM as well. Something like this isn't too bad as well. It's kind of aggressive. Dun, 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 dun. If we get a market structure shift for value gap here, I'll also take it. Imbalance forming on ES. Getting too faded. All right, let's see. If we get an SMT at the low, I'll enter off the change of state delivery. If there's no SMT, I'll enter off a fair value gap or inversion. That's all I'm waiting for now. This is gonna be my last trade of the day. The first trade I took wasn't bad. It was an aggressive entry for sure. I'm not mad with it. Not mad about it because I risked very little. So okay, potential SMT might form. Would be nice. I've been broke so many times. I wanna cry. Wow. Okay, looks like potentially, maybe. I hope it doesn't give me an entry yet. I want to see that low get taken. Take out early longs. You're not trading your top step X account? No, I am. I am. It's on my other monitor. I'm already up 10 pips. Looks like we're not gonna get the SMT, assuming this is the break. Unless we can use this to go lower and then come back and then invert. That would be nice too. So far the macro hasn't done much. We better not just slowly go up. Quickly glance at YM. What the? Wait. Oh, SMT with YM. YM never even took the low. I wonder what Robbie's doing with YM right now. Okay, we tapped in. Let's see if we can use that to go lower and sweep the low one more time. Or form a turtle soup. Not a turtle soup, sorry, or SMT. $10 till the macro's over. Let's see if it can deliver. Could aggressively entry off this order block. Not my style. I already took one aggressive entry, so I want to see how it closes in this fair value gap too, right? I mean, it already inverted one on ES. 9:45 to 10 candle close. Yeah. I've been thinking about that, to be honest. I've been thinking about it. Mhm. Yeah, I like this. We're already kind of disrespecting the 50%. I think I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna fade this bearish fair value gap. All right, I'm gonna go in with this 4 micros on this one. Yeah, I'm okay. Now I'm 100% taking this. This is exactly what I was waiting for. Um, this fair value gap's forming. Let's see if we can get a fill. I'm gonna put the P&L because I don't want to calculate it. It's still 2R. It's an aggressive entry, but I'm gonna look to keep a runner on my top step X. So put sell 3 at the high and that one exact tick. Um, hopefully we get a fill here, and we can see how this trade goes. Fill. I'm gonna leave one runner on my top step X account. So Meher, I have 3 limit sell on the high here. 3 limit sell. Let's see if that was a fake market structure shift X4. 3 limit sell on the high there, and I'm gonna look to keep one micro runner trailing my stop. So you can see here, stop loss is fixed here on this 1 minute. It will be 3 limit sell at the high, and then I'll just put like another limit sell one right here. I'm not gonna put it in. I want to close it manually. If we can make back that trade I took earlier. So far, good reaction. Hopefully, we can propel up from here. ES tapped in. See if we can start taking highs already. I would appreciate a 0 drawdown trade. I don't want to say 0 drawdown trade, but you know, like little go up from there. We should also note that this is 10 a.m. and we haven't went below 10 a.m., which is pretty significant. So we could just be getting 10 a.m. manipulated right now. So I'll show you what I mean. But if we start breaking highs, I'm still pretty confident. The 4-hour candle, you see that? You see that little low? Like how many candles have? Hey, this one does. All right, we're good. We're good. There's precedent. There's presidents. It's the president. All right. Got that high already. If we can break it, form another fair value gap. Nice. Looks like we're already making a run. Close this. Why is it On three. Nice. And then we'll leave one runner. Put a stop trades. Three. Nice. And we'll leave one runner. Okay. So far, decent price move up. There's your real market structure shift, fair value gap right here. Sorry. We got a pretty good entry down there. See, we could have entered here. I told you it was an aggressive entry. All right, let's see if we can tap back into this fair value gap and use it to keep going higher. This is like textbook long. Hopefully this position doesn't reverse on us. Let's mark out the highs on ES. Could it come back down here? Yeah. I feel like Robbie would put a stop loss here. And I'm going to do that too. Not because Robbie did it. Okay. But I feel like Robbie would. If this can remain unfilled, ooh, nice. That would be nice. So we're approaching the high. We just tapped into this bearish fair value gap. That's also an OTE. So need to be a little bit cautious about that, you know, in case we're wrong, and hopefully we just blow right through it. But there is a little fair value gap there that's also paired with OTE. Now that doesn't matter. 0.79 OTE. It doesn't matter because I'm bullish, but it's important to note that for sure. So hopefully we can invert this. The fact that we remained unfilled and we have these two down close candles here supporting price, I'm pretty confident that we're going to invert this. But let's see what happens. All right. We got exactly what we wanted. From the morning, I said we're going to wait for this low to get taken and wait for a reversal. That's pretty much is what's happening right now. Some people might take partials here. Me, I'm just a one-shot guy. You know, I'm just gonna take three at the top, and I'm gonna leave a runner to see. Maybe we'll start expanding aggressively towards previous month's high. But I'll keep my stop real tight for that runner because I don't want to win 3 micros. I want to win 4 micros. You know. But currently up 75 ticks. See if we can invert this fair value gap. Pretty much last line of defense before we start taking the high here and the high there. Hopefully we can start like going like ICT says, knife through butter on all these highs. So notice this remain unfilled. If I kept my order here, I wouldn't have got an entry. So far we're rejecting, but I feel like we start displacing up now through these candles. So let's see. Yep, that's a good push so far. Yep. So notice how we remained this unfilled and I moved my limit order up. Breakaway gap, 10 a.m. You got to be ready for those. We're currently up 120 ticks. The first trade I took. We're still up on the day. So we're up on the day right now. 20 handles. 400 divided by 10. 60. So I don't know what to Yeah, that first trade kind of we inverted. See if we can create another fair value gap support. This as a balanced price range. We should not be no need to go lower now because balanced price range. I said that like an ape. leave it like this. Let's leave it like BPR. That looks better. Okay, let's see. We did not form the fair value gap there. All right, let's see if this down close candle can support price. So in the balanced price range, in the order block, tapped the order block opening. Let's see if we can use that to propel higher. That would be ideal. Just reading these 1 minute candles right now. So our stop is already pretty much break even, so that's good. I want to see these highs starting to get taken. ES, yeah, ES looks pretty much the same, right? So going against us right now, but I still think it's gonna go higher. Still think it's gonna go higher. We're not re-inverting the fair value gap, which is pretty important. I'm gonna delete this. I don't like this. We do have a price range here that's not balanced, so we could go lower, wick, and go up. That's what I'd want to see. But let's see if we get some big body candles right now. 10-10 macro. The macro pretty much did deliver. We got our entry at 10, 10:08. We made equal highs here. We actually took the high by 1 tick, so could have TP'd there. Maybe that would be a place you'd want to take partials. But let's see if we can go higher. We retrace into this order block. So let's see if this can support price. When you're in long, you just look for every single PD array to support. Like I'm fishing here. If it's not this, it's this. If it's not this, it's this. If it's not that, it's my stop loss. So if we can take out these highs, I might full close. We'll see. I'll see how aggressive we push up if we do. Get some big body candles. Forming a volume imbalance. Which is good. Bullish indication. Volume imbalance. What the fuck? So no volume imbalance. That was a really strong rejection, actually. That candle really flipped. But doesn't matter to me. I'm still bullish. I'm noting this low now and see if we can sweep that low and potentially go higher. That's like kind of the last PD rate in that little range. Okay, we're in that fair value gap now. That's a really strong displacement. Hopefully we can respect this fair value gap and use it to just go higher. So ES, same thing. So far the wick is good, but like if we can close this up, that would be ideal. It's really good how we closed that up. We didn't form a bearish fair value gap. That's really good. 50% of that fair value gap. I feel like these highs should be coming anytime soon now. like this is a good time to break even. All right, we're going break even on this trade. No, I want to see the P&L. Really? I gotta keep my. Oh, there it is. No. Man, what the? All right, not touch anything. So we're break even on the trade now, which is good. So those big body candles should be coming now. Hopefully we can get bullish for value gap. Second stage entry here. Not that we're gonna take it. We're in a deep premium, but see if it can form. Look at YM quickly, actually. You know what we should also look at is the dollar index. What the fuck is YM doing? Holy shit. Yo, YM took this high at 930? Bro, Robbie, man. You guys doing stuff. I don't know how to trade YM. Alright, let's look at the dollar. What's going on with the dollar? Why does it look like that? Is that how it looks like? What's the dollar futures? I was gonna say. Okay. Wow, we filled up that dollar imbalance pretty high. Looks like we could go lower on the dollar, so take it towards those fair value gaps. Go back to ES. See if we can get a push up here. I don't like that we're coming back into the fair value gap now. We don't need to be. But I think we're in a good position here. All right, we're at break even. ES is wicking pretty nicely on the fair value gap. Let's see if we can just close through these down close candles. Gotta push higher. So when you close above these highs is what would be nice. So let's see. I think on the 2 minute frame, yeah, it's just one candle. So so we gotta close above. That's good. Big body candles coming hopefully now. Start taking out some highs. I'm literally gonna move my stop loss back just so I can see the ticks. All right. We shouldn't come back below here. That candle's also wicking. We're really slowing down here. Okay. I want to close above this high. Let's just get a nice solid push. I really feel like there's some big candles coming up here. So nice when you see the body like that, you know? Like there's got to be a song that goes like body body something, you know? Oh, if we can get a fair value gap here, yep, that's really it. There it is. There's the body. Hopefully it doesn't wick. There it is. There's the body. That was the body we were looking for. Hopefully we can end terminus here. We're gonna hold it until. Right, I'm pretty confident that high gets taken. I took this trade because I thought that high was gonna get taken. We're up on the day now. We made up for the loss. We're up. I mean, we haven't closed yet, but assuming we closed, I am gonna put my stop loss here now. So it's a little bit closer stop loss, but if we were to destroy that all these, just gonna put it one tick below. We really should not be coming back down here. We are wicking, but again, I really do feel like we're gonna start taking out all these highs, and yeah, we'll go with that. See if we can use this fair value gap to go higher. I think we called out price pretty well today. We're guaranteed profit on this trade, so it's a good trade. It's a good trade. The trade I took earlier, yeah, it was also a good trade. I should have risked maybe less than 3. I should have done like 2 or 1, knowing that it was counter bias. Or actually, it was a long, but knowing that it was an aggressive entry. Ideally, we keep this unfilled. That's the best case scenario. Then again, it's if we can just tap in and go. So we're inside this bearish fair value gap now, too, on the 1 minute. Hopefully we run right through it. So we're leaving 1 micro. Hopefully this has a good open. And we use this order block instead of the fair value gap. Yep. Nice. So far so good. Let's use this down close candle and leave this unfilled. That would be perfect. Ham, you here, bro? You catch the longs? No win for you. Why not, bro? You never got enter. Bro, what do you mean you never got enter, bro? You were busy. You were doing something, weren't you? I know you were. Don't lie to me. You catch the loss, though? I don't know how top step X works. It's so dumb. I'll show you after. Okay, brother. It's okay, man. End result will be the same. It's sad that we took that loss because we should be up more, but let's see. Hopefully our runner does work. Hopefully that runner just puts in work, puts in a lot of work. So let's see if those big body candles can come now. This would be a good time to like, I don't want to say close the position, but a little bit testing my luck here. Um, but we kept this fair value gap unfilled, and we haven't even went against the body's high. This is the body's high, so let's at least come on. We should be pushing a little bit higher here. Let's see if we can use this order block. Um, hopefully keep this unfilled. It's a pretty solid candle forming. I can't lie. It's a nice wick. Hopefully we can start pushing the other direction. You know, I'm just gonna full TP here, I think. I'm just gonna full TP here. Actually, no, I'm a liar, is what I am. I'm not gonna full TP here. I'm just gonna set another limit. Why does it say 3? A limit. Okay, hopefully this happens quick. I want to put, okay, there's set limit 1. We'll just put it somewhere there. We'll see if one candle can just tag both. Sorry, gotta look at my top set X. The line is gray, so I literally, like the background's gray and the line is gray, so I can't see. Okay, big candle's coming now. Hopefully we can get this terminus 200 tick trade-ish. Why's it got a wick? Just end. It's like you know you're going there. Just go. Drive fast, boy. Drive fast. Make it fast. So make it fast. Make it fast. All right, we're trailing the stop loss on this one big time. Trading above the body's candle high. Stock market sell is tight on that order block now. If it comes back with its fair value gap now, I'm gonna be a little bit annoyed. Let's run through. Let's finish the race. We're almost there. Don't tick me. Don't tick me. Don't wake me. Don't tick me. You know you want to. Trading above the candle's high. Rejecting the candle's high. No fair value gap formed. This is the highest candle body high. Our stop loss is good. Ticks. It's 10 ticks, 40. It wouldn't be the biggest, but it's a little bit aggressive stop loss, I can't lie. I was kind of just hoping we re-ran through and didn't. Like I was not expecting my stop loss to be questionable here. Do I want to lower it? I think it's still safe. I mean, I think it's right at the fair value gap, so. Tough one, tough one. 2 minute. Mm-hmm. I think we'll keep it. Looks like it might stop us out here instead of take the high. Looks like it's coming for the fair value gap, maybe. But I think we'll take it, to be honest. Hopefully we can respect this low. Respect this low. Just wick below that low. Have faith in the power of the stop loss. Either way, really good trade. So it's nice. We're wicking. Our stop loss is right there. Didn't get tagged just yet. So far wicking against that low. No SMT there. We did create a little bit of a small bearish fair value gap. But hopefully we can just take that low and go up from there. Keeping this fair value gap that I'm putting my stop loss at unfilled. That's not a good open. Hopefully we can go up from there. Open low high. 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 Hopefully this candle flips. It's probably just gonna stop us out here, to be honest. We could lower our stop loss and wait to see if we can get higher push on price. It's tempting putting a stop loss like here or here. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hold this trade. Till terminus. Have faith. If it reverses on us, I'm gonna have to live with the consequences. But I'm looking at OTE of this range. Right? So I'm gonna stay confident. I'm gonna stay confident. I'm gonna stay confident. I dropped the aggressive stop loss. So far, hypothetically, that stop loss would still be holding because that was one tick below. It's one tick below the order block. That's always what I do when I'm trailing. So let's see. We're still guaranteed profit, so just expect another retracement. Right, I don't want to get stopped out on a retracement. I don't think it's reversing yet. If I saw signs of a reversal or a potential signs of a reversal, I would. But I think now, honestly, that we started to push up, I'm gonna bring my stop loss back here now. So I will keep my stop here now, and I'm not gonna change it. So it's good to know we wouldn't have gotten stopped out, but we're tapping into the bearish fair value gap, right? And if we come lower at this point, yeah, we could just be coming down all the way here if we flip out this bullish action. So this is it. This is a trade. Let's see if we can get terminus here or stop loss. Either way, we caught a nice move. So far, wicking on the bearish fair value gap, which is not good. We rejected pretty hard. Hopefully we can inverse. But we caught 30 points at least, which is pretty good. That's a nice push up. I could just terminus. You know, we've been dancing around the finish line for a while now. Literally 4 points. So if we could nice inversion right there. If we could just finish, that would be great. That would be really great. At this point, I feel like some big body candles are coming. Start running through my limit cells. Is there a volume imbalance there? There is an order block on the 32nd that we're retracing into right now. Also the inversion. 170 ticks currently. It's pretty nice. Hopefully we close up on this candle. Get an up close candle here. Came $200 away from passing all 350k accounts and reverses on me. I have 1400 left now. No way that happened, bro. That's fucking shitty as fuck. Am I allowed to swear on here? I must be, right? Wait, you were 200 from passing and now you have 1400 left, like drawdown, or 1400 left to pass, or 1400 you have in the account. You gotta elaborate, bro. Damn entry, nice, bro. I'm holding this shit. I don't know. Maybe it was greedy, but 1400 to pass. Hey, bro, I believe you were 200 away. That's sad. That's sad. You trade minis, like 2 or 3 minis. Okay, I will be cautious here. Depending on this candle's close, I really hope it just takes the high because ES just did. I don't want no SMT. Come on, just give me the high. Don't make me second guess. Okay, nice, thank you. So no SMT. I'm gonna keep holding this. ES is a couple ticks away from the high. If we could just, you know, go run through the highs at this point, I might just trail my stop tight on this one. I'm just gonna trail my stop loss tight. There's a 1 minute order block at 18,532, which is right here. 30-second order block. I'm just gonna put my stop loss there. Let's finish this. It's like slowed down. Okay, come on. Right there. We should have 3 taken off position right there. Nice. Let's see if our limit order can get hit. It's completely random. My limit order is completely random. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Yeah, I'll keep it at 18,352, which is a 30-second order block. How high can we go? I have no idea. I don't even know why I have a runner on. Oh, do I have it at? I have it at no specific level. I'll put it here for now. This daily swing high. But yeah, like that's a stretch. That's a stretch for sure. There's one for 18539. 18539. It's a 30-second order block. I'm keeping my stop loss there. Just pretty much terminus. Let's just see how high it can go. We're almost at 1900 on the account, which would be huge for us. Nice close right there. Just leave the runner. Let's see what kind of damage it can do. Looking at the 30-second chart right here on NASDAQ. I guess I'll show you guys here. So you can see what the 30-second chart looks like. Top step X goaded. Access to the 30-second charts. 18569 is the daily swing high. If stop loss hits, it hits. That's fine. Wait, why is the stock market sell 4? Holy shit. Ah, fuck this. I went back on TradingView. It's so ugly. You can't. Just TradingView just. Oh, they just get hit. Happen. What position active? Why did it disappear? Bro, I literally can't see my position. Oh, there it is. Okay. So 18539, that was not hit. Got a nice push up. Gonna trail at 18541. Just stop sell 18541. Leave it there. Let's see what kind of damage this runner can do. So far it's pretty good runner. It's a pretty good runner so far. Yeah, so far this runner is going. We'll just keep trailing it at 1 minute OBs. It's currently at a 30-second fair value gap low, which is also this 1 minute order block. See what kind of damage we can do. We're currently aiming for that daily swing high, 18,568.50. 18,568.50. See if we can get there. Would be kind of interesting, I guess. My boy's holding. I leave a runner, you know. Now that I learned how to do it, right? I learned on TradingView, you can literally just right click trade and put in whatever order you want. Fucking Robbie, bro. No one, this guy's a goat. He taught me that shit. So I'm gonna hold this. Just hold one runner, you know, with the tight stop. Like you might as well. It literally does. You don't really lose much, especially because my stop is literally 3 ticks away from. I lied. It is not 3 ticks away from TP. But yo, this is going. So I think it was a good call to leave that runner for sure. Yo, did I TP early? Did I not TP at 18,547? What did I close at? Oh, I did. Okay. Sorry. I was gonna say because thought my stop loss was above. Okay, we're looking at that daily high. Looks like it's coming. I might just close here at this. Look at the 15-second chart. If there's like any fluctuation lower, I'm putting my stop at 18,557. 18,557. It's a 15-second order block. We're almost at terminus all the way. We almost got 300 ticks on this trade. Really good runner we left on there. I've never really left a runner on before. So I think we're just ending positive on the day. We did take an L earlier, which freaking sucks because this trade was really good. But it's okay. Okay, stop loss say we're out. The runner's gone. Closing on my top step X. Beautiful. Beautiful. We caught a dub. Whenever my girl is like, well, yo, you're gonna catch a dub, you catch a dub still. She's like calling out some shit. Okay, we got a dub. That's good. So let's journal this trade. We caught a really good trade. So I'm gonna post this in the Discord just to flex real quick. Uh, blah. Wonder if anyone else caught this. Got a little scratch out the part where I lost the trade. You know, I don't want to see that part. Um, done for the day. Nice trade. How many points was that? We 492, 556. Oh, speaking of trades, they were down 25 pips. What the fuck's happening? USD GPY? Yeah. Okay. Not bad. So hopefully we can wick around the 50%. Invert this 1 minute. Okay, it's not that bad. Oh, AMD's at 158. That's my AMD stock. I'm gonna quickly check out my stock. I don't remember what price I got it at. Yo, don't steal my stuff. Don't steal my stuff. I actually don't know the login to this. Man, feels good to win. I can't lie. I can't lie. It feels good to win. So, are we 2-0? Oh my god. Are we 2-0? I mean, yesterday I was only up $80, but hey man, I don't care if it's a freaking dollar. I'm calling that a win. I'm calling it crazy. I made that shit. What? To username login. Bro, why is this just so laggy, bro? Let's look on the browser. The browser has it saved. Okay, let me just make sure my top step X has no positions up. So it's at 600, so we're back to where it was before. Let's open up the DOMs. Did we end up taking the daily high? Oh, we're just about to take that daily high, so we were right. All-time highs are in the question now for sure. Um, okay. Canceled all positions, flatten all positions, all done. There are no active positions. Um, that cancels all orders too, I think. No active position, no order. Cancel all. Okay. Just want to make sure I don't get freaking wake up and my account's blown. Um, bro, what is this? I'm gonna click something by accident. How do you close this shit? Cancel, flatten, X, X, X. Okay. So yeah, wow, we really did end up taking that daily high. So yeah, that's just hindsight now. We could have held it. Would have been like an extra 10 points, maybe 20 points. Right? Where did we get out? Wow, literally stopped us out and then 16 points. Oh, you tell me if I put my stop loss a little bit lower, could got 16 points. Stopped us out by one tick. Anyways, we never actually took the high, so let's close this. No one needs to look at that, yo, chill. I'm a fucking idiot. All right. I just reset everything. Okay, you know what? This is good. Let me keep orders. What is this? Filled. So there's no orders up or positions. Okay. Close this. Close this. Just keep that thing on the bottom. Let's close top step X. How do you close top step X? Okay, there. There. Open up the journal. Backing up the win rate slowly but surely. Trades taken 2. Ended up profitable. This is May. 7. May. Wednesday. Thursday or Wednesday? Wednesday. The long right folder news. Asset was NQ. Micro cons. We got 4 on that one. Bias was bullish. Bias breakdown. Oh, this is how I journal. IOF was bullish. Giving indication that P1's high. Clear. BOL with CPI being bullish. Looked for a retracement. Sleeping M1 low. As a TS plus long entry. Targeting CPI high. As well as BOL was correct. Higher time frame PD array supporting the trade. So we had the hourly and 15-minute fair value gap that was supporting the trade. Total net P&L for the day. Oh, for the trade. Shoot. Let's look at the execution. Wait, what was it? What did I call it? Bar? Gap? What did I call it? B. Bra? Fuck, man. Forgot what I called it. Blah. I called it blah. 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 Why isn't it showing up? Blah. Alright, whatever. Let's just save it again. GG. So that's the execution. I always post my executions. Comments. Took one long earlier off M1 sweep SMT. Aggressive. Not a full TSB of the low. That happened. I took M1. Played perfectly. Really good. Caught a nice partial 2. Value gap entry trade model was the continuation, our first continuation trade. 1492. Oh, this is gonna get weird. So about 3, 547 minus 492.75 times 20 divided by 10 times 3. So 325.5. Let's remember that number. 325.5. And then we also caught one at 556 point. So we got an extra 15 points. Pretty good. 556.75 minus 18. Oh shit. An extra 128. So 325.5. So that trade was 453 P&L. However, for the day, because we did take a loss today, we got to calculate the loss, unfortunately. I'm just going to open up TradingView here because it should sign me in right away. Of course not. Well, we're almost at 2,000 account balance again, which is good. Wish I didn't take that. Now, obviously, it's hindsight, right? But maybe I should have been more patient. I got to consider. Maybe I should have been more patient on that first trade. So this trade was minus 156. So really? It's not going to tell me? Are you serious? 297. So obviously I'm not going to post that on the YouTube video. I'm going to say plus 450. So clickbait, whatever. Yeah. So we ended up taking that daily high as we predicted. As for previous month's high, not there yet. Not there just yet. But we did take out the daily swing high there. So that was nice. That runner was definitely good. Now, what we need to do is draw up the trade that we took. Because I'm going to go on my TikTok. I'm going to post the trade that I took. So where's that thing that comes up that's there? PG. T 12. So Amy, you here, brother? I'm so salty, bro. What are you up to, Hammy Poo? Wobbly woo. I want to pass today. You could trade PM, bro. You could just short right now. They're an SMT at the highs. Nah. But we just took out a daily swing high, so I feel like some retracement. You're in a TFT right now? That'll be 6 accounts, bro. That's fucking lit, bro. 6 accounts? That's like, bro, we make I'm not gonna do the math right now, but shit, we've been there. We've been there. You know what's up with 6 accounts. That's crazy, bro. Okay, fine. I'll show you guys my stock portfolio. Sheesh. Just don't copy trade me. All you gotta do is ask. All you gotta do is Ask. Bro, I'm in a 4x position long right now. I can't lie. USD GPY. Swing trade. That's $12,000 USD per payout. Bro, stop rubbing it in, bro, please. Top step only lets 3 accounts. Alright? I only have one. One funded one. Bro, I'm pissed too, bro, because whatever. Wait, what am I doing here? I'm on the wrong fucking account. We're on TradingView. Man, what is this, man? How do I get to the charts? Why am I not signed in? Yeah, super charts. Are you in a TFT here? Alright. Alright, so we're only down 170 on Roku right now. We're up 16 on AMD. Sad because Roku opened up really high today. Look at that. It came all the way up to 64.2. You know what might have been interesting? I could have looked to just close position there and then buy cheaper. Right? That might have been a good move. At least AMD is going. Um, looking for. Yeah, I'm looking for this bullish fair value gap to hold. Look at the charts, it's kind of scary. You can't make this up though. Look at that volume imbalance. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, now I can literally just put a freaking stop loss too. Really forgot about that. Sell 6 AMD limit. Sick. Anyway, let's look at USD GPY. We're in longs. Nice. See how that flipped? Wait, oh shit. No, it didn't. Not flipping at all. So it's retracing to a 50-minute fair value gap. I'm really hoping this fair value gap holds. It's pretty much the basis of my long. So daily IRL, targeting ERL. 1 hour, change in state and delivery. Retracing into the order block now. It's nice how it closed above. Tracing back into a discount. I'm really hoping we can go up from here. Start working towards these highs. So I entered on the 1 hour and entered on the 1 hour. If the trade goes lower, I'll just look to enter from here. Let me put a marker actually. Whatever. So what's left to do? I'm gonna film my video right now. Yo, Hem, are you in a TFT or no, bro? Maybe I'll film after and go to the gym now. Let me see if I'm gonna go to the gym now or later. Yeah, Hem, why don't you catch the trade, bro? What happened? Come on, bro. All you gotta do is take the signal, bro. What you gotta do is take the signal. Are you playing on your phone, bro? Paper counts down 10,000. I wanna take you somewhere where you know I care. And it's so cold and I don't know where. I'm buying you daffodils on city streets. You know what I want to know? Where's the breaker? Because that breaker gave another entry for sure. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This is the breaker? Or is it this? Somewhere here. The price swing. So the breaker goes like this, right? It goes like that. High, low. Uh, Dude, where's the drawing tool? I would like the drawing tool, please. Oh, you know what I can do? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. There's a thing. Where's that? I'm excited to make this recap video because this was a good trade. This thing. Oh, path. Circle entry. Right there. Oops. Oops. Uh, Breaker goes like this. That's a breaker. And where's the breaker block? It's right here, right? High, low, or sorry, you don't even need this price leg. It's high, it's low, high, lower low, higher high. And then the up close candle before the lower low. So it's high, low, sorry, low, high, lower low, higher high. Yeah, the last up close candle before the lower low. That's a breaker, right? So I was just curious if the breaker gave another entry because this is basically a unicorn now. Um, Unless it's low, high, lower low, higher high than this. These four up close candles. Who knows? Well, I'm gonna call the stream there. Appreciate everyone joining. Hammy, JP, X4. I think there's only 3 people who joined today, which is fine. We caught a win, luckily. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow live 9:15 a.m. EST. I think there's consumer price index. Not consumer price index. Unemployment claims. So let's see if we get a midweek reversal. If we start showing signs of a midweek reversal, or we continue and towards all times high. So we're gonna look for that. It's either midweek reversal or Thursday continuation. We'll have to see what PM does. If PM reverses hard, then I'd be anticipating a potential midweek reversal. But damn, this is very bullish price action. It looks like we're coming for all-time highs. So I think it's officially time to put the marker down. I remember when I did this before, and I'm gonna have to do it again. I remember ATH. People would ask me, "What's ATH?" It's time to put the all-time high label down. I think just leave it there. Unfortunately, I don't like trading all-time highs because it could literally reverse. ES is almost there, bro. ES could 20 points. It could make that shit in the PM. So with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna shoot this video potentially. So peace.